Sir Joel Mineral.
Sabihin mo pag hindi mo naririnig.
Sino ang tunay na pati? Yaman ay pinagyaman dahil ariyanaw ang araw. May isang salaman ay sabi ang hinihikan, ngunit ang nitong bakol ay kasalanan ang laman.
Ang kumukuha sa kanya, Ronald Rosales.
Natawang imuhan, may isang ibaliw iba ang awit na alam. Buong araw kong magkasal, sinungaling din naman. Sinong natira? Sino ang tunay na baliw? Sino mapala? Sinong tumatawag ng tabak?
Na
ang pag-iisip nilubos o gusto ang isip, ngunit sa pag-ibig ay naman. Ang nagtanging suot ay sinasirang damit na pag-ibig may sa isip niyang ulit-ulit. May pinala ang gayak, panay, tiyamande at kiyak. Ngunit oras ba'y buwan, kulay atas ang balat. Sinong nagtila? Sino ang tunay na baliw? Sinong mapala? Sinong tumatawag na tapat? Yakong bang sindila na ang pag-iisip nilubos o gusto ang isip, ngunit sa pag-ibig ay tapos. Sino ang tunay na baliw? Sino mapalad? Sino dumadamang na kaban? Yang pag-iinan na ang pag-iisip nilubos o gusto ang isip, kaya silita.
Ano to? Ano yan siya?
Kumain ng mic sa
God's
gulo.
mouth. Explain God's mouth.
Oh, that was incredibly amazing. And I really amazing.
Oo.
Kuya, ang galing mo kumanta.
I-ano niya naman yung video. Ito, binibideo ko na. Okay, okay. Okay, I will. Okay.
Very talented.
Alright, bye.
Gwapo pa ako, di ba? Kiss naman dyan. Kiss naman.
Should we hear from our judges?
He's very talented, you know?
Let's hear from our head judge, Mr. Mojo Butler.
I love musicals. I've been to see this going many times. I'm a big fan of Leo Valdez, and I have to say your voice is fantastic. I'm incredibly impressed. Wow, I was blown away, and I love your role.
Thank you. Wow. Oh, you wanted to say something as well, head judge? Go for it.
Yeah, I love his barong as well because he was talking to me. I like his barong.
Balong lang, lala.
Basically, the way he presents himself in the stage and how he delivered his song is really
Amazing. Just the way I am.
Giniginaw ako.
Giniginaw ka. Bigyan ng kumot.
Pero really, because I love his voice. He has a very good voice. Parang si Basil Valdez. Yeah, and the way you deliver your song and the way you express it and the way you stand there in the stage and the way even everybody's talking, but you really caught their attention and I'm very happy for you. I guess you could go for a long way. Trying to go to British Got Talent.
Beautiful. Let's hear from the music producer.
Yeah.
The music mogul.
Camera.
Ang ngiti, oh.
I really love the voice. It's very strong, very powerful, and the way you interact with the lyrics, the way you connected with the audience, it really works well. So I think you're really cool. Thank you.
Also, let us hear from Miss Alexis.
Yan.
What do you say about the song?
May common sense lang. Alam mo kasi nasusunod.
Of course.
Ano pala?
Hi, Joe. How are you?
I'm fine, I'm finished.
Did you enjoy the fun with you?
I did give all my best for that song. And I really love that song. Ever since I was a little kid, that was the song I wanted to sing on the competition. Now I was a little kid.
Bakit sa ano mo ni? Huwag mo lang hanapin ng baliw. Katabi mo siya. Bakit sa ano niya yung